Custom diamond painting Moon Sloth in 50 by 66 cm rounds, special treatment version 1, starts with violet pearls sprinkled in the dark purple areas, like on this section of the painting, as well as on this corner. So all of the dark purple areas will have some violet pearls sprinkled on them, and it's up to you where specifically, but this is a suggestion. Aside from that, for version 1, we also have pink ribbon crystals that are sprinkled on the light purple area. So these are the pink ribbon crystals and these are the violet pearls. So we sprinkle the pink ribbon crystals on the light purple areas of the painting. Custom Moon Sloth 50 by 66 cm rounds, special treatment version 2, now adds electric diamonds. We've placed the electric diamonds on the moon, so sprinkle it on the moon, as well as sprinkle on the stars around the sloth. You don't have to fill in the entire star with electric diamonds, but sprinkle it on the star to give it an added glow. And finally, for version 3 of custom diamond painting Moon Sloth in 50 by 66 cm rounds, special treatment version 3, now adds ice crystals that have been sprinkled in the blue areas on the painting. So that's mainly this area over here. We also sprinkle some on the sloth's cap. Aside from ice crystals, we've also added morganite crystals that we have sprinkled on the sloth. So don't forget, we've got violet pearls for the corners with the dark purple areas. We also have pink ribbon crystals over here on the light purple areas. We have electric diamonds for the stars, as well as for the moon, morganite for the sloth's body, and then for the cap, as well as this area here, in ice crystals. And this is version 3 for Moon Sloth custom diamond painting special treatment.